And theirs as well. Oh, look.
Right, another Steve Does Thursdays, but might be a Tuesday, who knows. Right, Pen, we've done a Chinese and it's coming on
Thursday?
this week. So I had
Prawn chow mein.
brown chow mein. We've already done it, and so that's beyond. But what we thought we'd have to go with is some Chinese pork ribs. $1.99 from Farmfoods, 500 grams. They didn't get done on the day, and they're defrosted. So the cooking times are air fry from frozen 185C for 20 to 22 minutes. They're going in at 185, probably 10, 15 minutes, but you just have to keep an eye on them. So you'll see them going in the air fryer, probably see them before they go in the air fryer, and then I'll be back to see if they were worth $1.99.
Worth putting in the air fryer.
Yeah. Was it worth the electric? So there you go. I'll pass you over to my assistant, and
You can skedaddle and watch what you were watching.
I'm going to carry on watching the rugby.
Right,
See you
skedaddle.
soon.
Under. Right, let's just, I've got the air fryer preheating. Don't need to, I just sometimes like to do it. And let's, oh, they do smell obviously Chinesey. Let's see if I can get one out without, actually, do you know what? Be sensible, Penny. Use a pair of tongs. That's what they're there for. Right. Chinese ribs. Boom, boom, boom. Air fryer preheating, as I say. Just going to open it. Do you know, I'm just going to bung them in. And you've got to watch, because some of them, look, you've got one that's that big, and then you've got another one that's that big. So obviously they're going to take some watching. Anyway, they're going in. We'll start at 15 minutes and see how they go. Right, they're ready. I've temperature probed them, so I know they're over 75C, and they took about 14 minutes. I turned the timer down. You can definitely tell they've got 5 spice in them, but that's everybody's standard Chinese flavour, isn't it? And to be honest, they're not looking too bad. So obviously I'm going to let them cool a bit, and then I'll call Steve through.
Right, we're back, and no doubt Pen's shown you. There you go, look. What we got? 10 ribs.
Oh, I didn't even count. Various sizes.
$1.99. Okay. It's more meat on them than I expected, to be honest, since they were $1.99. I mean, we paid more for ribs from a Chinese and had next to no meat on them. Big bones, mind you. Alright. Alright.
They're not chewy.
No.
Alright, okay, in which case I'll give it a go. I'm really funny. Oh, they're
I
damn
think
sharp.
you might say give another 5 minutes.
Well, they'd be overcooked, I'm sure. No, they're not chewy.
Alright. So if you can get them, if you're going to do a Chinese, homemade,
Don't forget to cook them.
don't forget to cook them. They're alright, because you could jazz them up with some onion, peppers, maybe some chilli, like you would get in the carton from the Chinese. But they're all right for $1.99. I would buy them again. And you're eating them, and you never eat ribs.
No.
So there you go. I'm going to give them 4 stars. So is that it?
That's
Done?
it. Yeah.
Everything's overheating, so
Including
me. There you go. Thank you for joining us. Thanks again. Like the picture of me as a baby, and we will see you again soon on In the Kitchen with Pen or Steve Does Thursdays. So keep cooking.